Lot S9 is a 1955 Cadillac Coupe DeVille with a 331 cubic inch V8 engine, an automatic transmission, and factory air conditioning. And it sold for $39,600 on Saturday, June 6th. And I'll read from the Mecum website. Odometer reads 43,320 miles. And the highlights are meticulous period correct restoration, matching numbers 331 cubic inch V8 engine, automatic transmission, refinished in a period correct gray metallic Cadillac color, restored with period correct glamour style silver and gray leather and cloth interior, factory air conditioning, power windows and locks, chrome bumpers and trim, wire wheel covers with Cadillac center caps, wide white wall tires. The car has been in Kansas since the early 1960s and was brought to Oklahoma in 2000 when it was purchased by the seller's father. Detailed maintenance log and garage kept. And this one looked even better in person. It was definitely a beauty, and somebody spent a ton of money on it, and the results show in the finished product. It was definitely a beauty, that's for sure. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos of the 700 plus videos that I have on my channel, Car Finder. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.